Did you know that heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide? Every year, millions of people suffer from heart-related issues, often without realizing that small, everyday choices can make a huge difference. But what if I told you that something as simple as a smoothie could help keep your heart strong and healthy? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'll show you 6 delicious and easy-to-make smoothie recipes that are packed with heart-boosting goodness. Stick around and find out how you can sip your way to a healthier heart. A healthy heart starts with the right nutrition. What we eat plays a crucial role in maintaining cardiovascular health, keeping blood vessels clear, and reducing the risk of heart disease. Processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats can contribute to high cholesterol, inflammation, and high blood pressure, 3 major risk factors for heart problems. But the good news is that incorporating the right nutrients into your diet can help combat these issues naturally. Fiber, found in fruits, vegetables, and seeds, helps lower cholesterol and maintain stable blood sugar levels. Antioxidants, like those in berries and leafy greens, fight oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like flax seeds and walnuts, support healthy cholesterol levels and reduce blood clotting risks. And let's not forget potassium, a vital mineral found in bananas, avocados, and leafy greens, which helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. By blending these heart-healthy ingredients into delicious smoothies, you can easily fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to stay strong. So, let's get straight into these life-changing smoothies that are not only delicious, but also great for your heart. This smoothie is loaded with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect blood vessels from damage. Blueberries and strawberries contain flavonoids, which have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. The banana adds potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, while chia seeds provide fiber and omega-3s to support healthy cholesterol levels. To make this delicious and nutritious smoothie, start by gathering your ingredients. 1/2 cup of blueberries, 1/2 cup of strawberries, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Simply blend everything together until smooth, creating a refreshing drink packed with antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients. For an extra health boost, add a dash of cinnamon, which can help balance blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. Enjoy this flavorful smoothie as a quick breakfast, post-workout refreshment, or an energizing snack any time of the day. This vibrant green smoothie is packed with fiber and potassium, which help flush out excess sodium and keep blood pressure in check. Spinach provides heart-protective nitrates, while avocado delivers healthy fats that support cholesterol balance. To make this refreshing and heart-cleansing smoothie, start by gathering your ingredients. 1 cup of spinach, 1/2 an avocado, 1 green apple, the juice of 1/2 a lime, and 1 cup of coconut water. Blend everything together until smooth and creamy, creating a nutrient-packed drink rich in fiber, healthy fats, and hydration. For an even silkier texture and a naturally chilled smoothie, use frozen avocado. This vibrant green smoothie is perfect for boosting heart health, supporting digestion, and keeping you energized throughout the day. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C and flavonoids, which can help improve circulation and lower bad cholesterol. Ginger adds anti-inflammatory properties, and Greek yogurt provides probiotics that may contribute to better heart health. To create this refreshing and heart-healthy smoothie, gather your ingredients: 1 peeled orange, 1/2 a peeled grapefruit, 1/2 a cup of Greek yogurt, 1/2 an inch of fresh ginger, and 1/2 a cup of water or coconut water. Blend everything together until smooth, resulting in a tangy and nutrient-packed drink that supports your cardiovascular system. If you find grapefruit too bitter, swap it for pineapple to add natural sweetness while still maintaining heart-friendly benefits. Enjoy this delicious smoothie as a revitalizing morning boost or a midday refresher. Carrots are a powerhouse of beta-carotene, which supports artery health and reduces oxidative stress. Combined with turmeric's anti-inflammatory effects and walnuts' omega-3s, this smoothie is a heart-protecting drink in a glass. To make this heart-healthy smoothie, start by adding 1 chopped large carrot, half a cup of pineapple, half a banana, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of walnuts, and 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk to a blender. Blend until smooth, creating a delicious and nutrient-packed drink rich in antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. For an extra boost, add a pinch of black pepper to enhance the absorption of turmeric's powerful compound, curcumin. Enjoy this vibrant smoothie as a nourishing way to support your heart and overall well-being. Oats contain beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol. Bananas provide potassium to support healthy blood pressure, and almond butter adds healthy fats that nourish the heart. To create this delicious and heart-friendly smoothie, blend together 1 banana, half a cup of cooked oats, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 cup of oat milk until smooth and creamy. This thick and satisfying smoothie is packed with fiber, healthy fats, and natural sweetness, making it a perfect choice for a nourishing breakfast or a filling snack. For an extra boost of protein and satiety, add a scoop of plant-based protein powder to turn it into a complete meal replacement. Enjoy this comforting and nutritious drink any time of the day. Pomegranates are packed with polyphenols, which improve circulation and lower blood pressure. Paired with beets, another heart-healthy powerhouse, this smoothie is a great way to boost nitric oxide levels and enhance blood flow. To make this vibrant, heart-nourishing smoothie, blend together half a cup of pomegranate seeds, half a small beet, cooked or raw, half a cup of strawberries, and 1 cup of coconut water until smooth. This antioxidant-rich drink is packed with nutrients that support heart health, circulation, and overall vitality. For an extra protein boost, add a tablespoon of hemp seeds, which provide essential amino acids and healthy fats. Enjoy this refreshing and naturally energizing smoothie any time of the day. These smoothies aren't just tasty, they're powerful tools for better heart health. By incorporating heart-friendly ingredients like fiber-rich fruits, antioxidant-packed berries, and potassium-loaded greens, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to keep your heart strong and your arteries clear. Now, I want to hear from you. Which smoothie are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health-boosting recipes. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.